Hey, so this is the new assistant that we've launched this week at part 3. You'll see we actually have a new button here called specifications. We've released it as an entirely separate module because we can understand that specs are subject to change throughout the course of CA. Now, what this has allowed us to do is to have the assistant be a lot more specific in how it can help. It can generate very highly specific actionable recommendations. I'm going to open up the submittal I'm working on and click that review button. On the left-hand side, you'll see the submittal. Right-hand side is the spec. Anytime something comes in from Procore or anywhere else, we'll do the first check. For example, we have air permeance right over here in the submittal evidence, ASTM E2178. It noticed that there's no more than 30 days of UV exposure, but that's where the gap is because the spec requires 60. It's also missing ASTM E84 specifically. It'll write some notes. It'll also tell you where to look in the documents, so it provides those direct linked citations. Not only that, but it'll actually write out a recommended response for you. So it's going to make its own judgment of, is this a revise and resubmit? Is this outright rejected, or are we just going to review as noted? It'll map out your approval language and write out a response with the click of a button. So products like Tremco are a match. There's notable deviations within the UV exposure limit of 30 versus 60 and the missing ASTM E84 data. It compiles all that and it's allowing you to then do the final check, make sure it hasn't missed anything. And truthfully, I think we're fundamentally changing how submittals get reviewed. Realistically, your team can just spend their time in the detail, protecting your design intent that defines the way that your firm works.